And the race on Danehill Choi, Henry VIII alongside Queen Star, moving out spin cycle, and under further outside Deputy Stravinsky, though topless, is racing in fifth by the rail. Queen Star, Danehill Choi, spin cycle, Henry VIII. Go topless is running in fifth by the rail. Deputy Stravinsky, Giant Slow, and Kingman Joyce running at the tail of the field. Nearing the far turn, Queen Star by some 2 lengths, Danehill Choi, and Ready 8 rushing up from the outside, spin cycle, go! Topless also rushing up. Last 450, Queen Star, Henry VIII, Daniel Choi, spin cycle, go topless is racing from the outside, Giant Sloom as they race the final corner. Queen Star is still leading the pack, followed by Henry VIII, Daniel Choi, go topless down on the inside, spin cycle, but still Queen Star by a length and a half. Henry VIII is lifting down on the inside, moves up, and finally Henry VIII, Queen Star close, Giant Sloom, spin cycle, Daniel Choi, go topless, Deputy Stravinsky, King Manjo.